So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see what's behind me? Yeah, these are yellow bicycles. And today, I'm in Tenino, Washington, and we are gonna use these yellow bicycles to explore the town. Let's go! Whoa! Whee! All right, before I ride this bicycle, I should probably wear my helmet. Safety first. Here we go. All right, let's explore this sweet town. Hey, how about we learn the parts of the bicycle? All right, as you know, I'm wearing a helmet. That's the first part of the bicycle. Well, it's not part of the bicycle, but if you're gonna ride a bicycle, you need a helmet. And these are the handlebars right here. Handlebars. See, this is what you hang on to while you're riding and you steer, just like a steering wheel in a car. Whee! Whee! And then the yellow part is the frame. That is what holds all the parts of the bicycle together. This is the seat. This is where you sit down on the bicycle. And this seat is really soft and padded. Makes it really comfortable. And then we have 2 wheels and tires. And then down here, these are the pedals. When you turn these, then the back wheel turns around. Watch. See it spin? Whoa! And the brakes on this actually are the pedals too. Ready? Watch. See, when you go forward this way with the pedals, yeah, counterclockwise if you're looking that way, but then clockwise if you're looking this way. So if you go forward, pedaling forward, the bike will go forward. But if you pedal backward this way, then the bike will stop. Some bikes have brakes at the handlebars right up here, but not this one. And look, right here, you can mount stuff. This is a little platform for groceries, or pizza, or vegetables, or I don't know. All right, well, I should probably get my helmet back on, so then we can continue to explore. Oh, what a cool little town this is. All right, here we go. Whoa, do you see how I'm riding this bike on grass? It's actually made for sidewalks and roads and things that are really smooth. Yeah, this is a street bike, but they do make other kind of bikes, like mountain bikes. Whoa, whoa, that's a lot better for going over rough terrain like this. Whee! Whoa! All right. This is the quarry pool. Hey, let me show you what it's like in here. Wow, this used to be a giant hill that came out to here. But then people way in the past dug it out, and it's about 100 feet. That's about 33 meters deep. Yeah, so you cannot touch the bottom. Whoa. Whoa. You can actually swim in this place. a waterfall over there. This definitely looks like a fun place to swim. Whoa! 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 I think my bike is broken. Whoa. Oh, hey! Perfect! This town has a bike stand with a bunch of tools on it. All right, first thing we need to do is put the bike right up here. Oh, perfect. Whoa! Look at it! Ring! It looks like it's doing a wheelie. Ring, ring. All right, enough of playing. We need to get to work so we can fix it. Check this out. Looks like we have some Allen wrenches. Oh. And then we have a flathead screwdriver. We have a Phillips or standard screwdriver. We even have a wrench. And there's so many tools. But I think the problem is the tire is flat. So let's take this off, and this is how you fill up the tire. Put it right here, and then you can see this is how you pump it up. Oh, perfect. I think now it's ready to go. Woohoo! Hey, I think this is the perfect time for the tool song.
When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. The wrench tightens pipes going clang, clang. A hammer hits a nail going bang, bang, bang. A drill is making holes going zzz, zzz. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear thuds and squeaks, cracks and rings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear bangs and booms, clangs and zings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. Cutting wires with some pliers going snip, snip. Cutting paper with some scissors going clip, clip. When you're working with tools, you've got to be real safe by wearing gloves on your hands and goggles on your face. And boys and girls, when you're working with tools, always follow mom and dad's safety rules. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear thuds and squeaks, cracks and rings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear bangs and booms, clangs and zings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things.
Whoa! Check it out! We are at the stone carving shop where you can buy carvings. Hey, who are you? What's your name?
Wyatt.
Wyatt? What are you doing right here?
Carving stone.
Carving stone. Whoa, okay, so you take the chisel, and then you use the mallet, and then you hit it like a hammer and a nail. Here we go. Whoa, check that out. All right, now your turn. Oh, you want to color it in?
Yes.
All right.
So it can look like.
Wow, that is so awesome. Can I go explore your shop?
Of course.
All right, let's go. How are you two?
Oh, doing great. Wonderful weather today.
Yep, what's your names?
My name's Ian Williams. I'm the father to Wyatt right here.
I'm Keith.
Ooh, that's really cool. Nice to meet you two. Keith, you want to show me around?
Well, we have various items on the wall here for our customers.
It looks like Wyatt and his crew carved all of these out of stone with that mallet and that pointy metal thing. I don't even know what it's called. Whoa, check it out. What does this look like? This looks like an apple, but it's actually carved out of stone. That's really cool. Well, let's continue to explore the town. Yeah! We're at the fire station right now. Do you know what kind of vehicles are at the fire station? Yeah, they have ambulances, they have fire engines. Hey, check them out. Whoa, these are so cool. Wow. Whoa, there's a real fire engine right here. Come on! Hey, what are you doing?
We're going on a fire call.
We're going on a fire call? That means someone needs help. Can I go on the fire call?
Why, sure, Blippi.
Okay. All right. So that means we get to go help someone, and we get to go on the fire call. Hey, first things first. Safety first. I first need to buckle up. All right. Now that I'm all buckled up, I'm gonna get ready so we can go on the fire call. I'm gonna put it into gear, and then I'm gonna take it out of the parking brake. So now we can go forward. All right, let's go save those people. All right, I think they need a lot of help. So let's go. You've probably seen a police car before, but right now I'm driving a police truck. All right, let me park this thing right on the grass right here. All right, and so now we can explore the rest of the town. Woohoo! Remember the yellow bike? All right, it's a great way to travel the town, and it helps the environment. Okay, here we go. Wait a second! Why am I not moving? Oh, right over here. All right, here we go. Whoa! That was the mayor! That's awesome! Here we go! Woo! Wow! That was so much fun going on this bike adventure with you in Tenino, Washington. They definitely have a really cool town here. And it's so great that they have these yellow bikes for people to use for free. That is awesome. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. It's me, Blippi. And look at what it is. Whoa, it's a real ice cream truck. And today, you and I are gonna learn about ice cream trucks. All right, now let's learn the parts of this ice cream truck on the outside. Whoa, it's so colorful. Whoa, and look, there's some ice cream right here. We have a strawberry shortcake, we have an ice cream sandwich, we have a drumstick, and we have a red, white, and blue ice cream. Ooh, look at these. So cool! They're pink rims, so then the ice cream truck can drive around on the street. Ring, ring, ring. Sweet wheels and tires. Ooh, what's this? Huh, it says children slow crossing. It looks like there's lights. Let me show you. Wow. All right. You see this red knob? You pull it out and watch what happens. Whoa! These lights flash orange and the sign comes out from the ice cream truck. So then you know not to get close to the ice cream truck, or at least just be very weary so then you don't get hurt. So we'll keep that out right now. And let me show you something else. Ooh, you see this? This is a switch for music. You hear that music? That means the ice cream truck is coming to you, so then you can get some ice cream. Ooh, and look at right here. Some social media of this exact ice cream truck in Las Vegas, Nevada. Sweet! Oh, and look right here. Look at all these ice cream choices we have. Whoa, this one has the color red, orange, green. Oh, and look at this one. One of my two favorite colors. Orange. Yum! Ooh, a Ninja Turtle. Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. And let's see here. Remember this one? Yeah, it's on the other side too. It's the strawberry shortcake. Yum! Oh, look at this. This is the window that you walk up to. And this is where you order your ice cream from. Huh. Hello? Hello? Wait a second. No one's in here. I have an idea. Maybe you and I can go inside and serve some people some ice cream. Come on. Ooh. All right, now let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. But first, we need to turn on the generator. This is what provides power to the freezer. Let's turn it on. Whoa! It's like a mini engine that produces power to keep the freezer really cold. But the freezer's already cold, so we can turn it off. All right, let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. Whoa! The inside of an ice cream truck! So excited! Whoa! This is where the driver of the ice cream truck sits. It's just like a normal vehicle. A steering wheel, a shifter knob, a set of keys. But we're not here for driving. We're here for ice cream. Wow. This big white thing right here, this is the freezer. Let's open it up. Whoa! Look at all this ice cream. All right, let's pick out 5 ice cream bars. Ready? Huh. All right. Okay, got 1. 1. Ooh. 2. Oh, here's 1. Ooh. 3. Oh, whoa. Oh, over here. 4. All right. And let's see. Here we go. All right. 5. All right. 5. Let's shut this to keep them nice and cold. So right here, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice cream bars. But now we need 3 snacks. Okay. How about some popcorn? 1. How about some chips? 2 snacks. Oh, what else? Oh, yum! All right. 3 snacks. So we have 5 ice cream bars and 3 snacks. 5 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yum! All right, now we need to let everyone know on Twitter and Instagram where we are. All right. Have some ice cream here. Let's pass it out. All right. First we have cotton candy. Who wants cotton candy? Ooh, yum. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. We have an ice cream sandwich. Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And a Hello Kitty. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Enjoy the ice cream.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So much fun learning about this ice cream truck with you. Well, this is the perfect time for the funny fun ice cream song.
Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. With whipping cream and bananas, please. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Warm and gooey nuts and cherries on top. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Green, red, and yellow yummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Yum!
Ooh, look at what I have. This is some toy clay, and I'm acting like it's ice cream, but it's actually a toy, so be sure not to eat it. All right, see? This is like vanilla ice cream. Yum! And this is like chocolate ice cream. Ooh, and look, we have some ingredients. Ooh, like this? Yeah, some strawberry syrup. Okay, let's take off the cap, and here we go. Ooh, and look at this one. It's like chocolate syrup. Whoa. Oh, let's put some over here again. All right. Yum, that looks tasty. And what we can put over on the chocolate ice cream is maybe some whipped cream. Yum, here we go. Oh, that looks tasty. Ooh, look at what we have over here. Some more toy molding clay. I think this deserves a cherry on top. Okay, let's take some off right there. And then squish it, squish, 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 squish. And let's roll it up. Ooh, that looks like a cute cherry. Let's put a little dimple up top. Yeah. All right, let's put it right on the chocolate ice cream. Yum! That looks tasty. But like I said, be sure not to eat it. And this one looks like we have some blue and some orange. Blue and orange, my two favorite colors. Let's make some gummy worms. All right, let's take half of this, orange, roll it out. Okay, ooh, look at that. An orange gummy worm. Put it right on top right here. And then let's take the blue and we'll make another gummy worm and put it right there. All right, roll it out. Ooh, look at that gummy worm. Let's lay it right there. And there we have two tasty looking toy ice creams. Yum! Well, this is the end of this video. It was so much fun learning about the ice cream truck with you and listening, dancing, and singing to the funny fun ice cream song. Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look, I'm riding a bike. But my bike has a flat tire. Oh no! I love riding bikes. They're so much fun. But you can't ride a bike with a flat tire.
Hey, Blippi.
Oh, hey, Mika! This is my best friend, Mika.
Hi, everyone. Ooh, cool bike, Blippi.
Oh, thanks, Mika.
Uh-oh. Looks like you have a flat tire.
Yeah, I was just telling our friends that I have a flat tire and now I can't ride anymore.
Aww. Well, good thing we are at Spoke Bicycle Cafe in Los Angeles, California. It's a cafe and a bike shop. I bet someone inside could help you.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Whoa, let's go.
Yeah, let's find out. Come on.
Whoa! So you said this place has snacks and bikes?
Yeah, it's a cafe and a bike shop.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Whoa, hey, who are you?
Well, hi there. My name is Dane.
Oh, hi, I'm Mika.
Yeah, and I'm Blippi.
Nice to meet you.
So, what do you do here?
I'm the head bicycle mechanic.
So you fix bikes?
I do.
Wow.
You're the person we need. Blippi has a flat tire.
I don't know. Well, if you follow me, we'll get you ready to roll.
Really?
You can fix it?
I can.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
Whoa.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Whoa, cool.
All right. I now have everything we will need to fix your flat tire.
Yay!
I'm so excited.
Whoa.
So the first thing we will do is put your bike into the bike stand.
Wow, cool. Oh, a bike stand? Whoa, this is what you had outside.
Oh, that's right. It must make it much easier when the bike is up high like that.
Much, much easier.
Smart. Ooh, can I put the helmet right here?
You certainly can. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove your front wheel.
Whoa. So you're gonna remove the front wheel and tire?
Correct.
Wow.
So we will take this 15mm box wrench and loosen the axle nuts on the wheel.
Wow. You know a lot about bikes.
Whoa, look at this! Whee!
Well,
It's a bicycle!
I not want to ride a bike like that.
I know! Now it's a unicycle!
Next, we're gonna take a tire lever to remove the tire from the wheel.
Huh. So
In this
you're
case-
removing the tire from the wheel right now?
You got it. And just like that,
Whoa,
releases the wheel.
cool! Can I see the wheel? Whoa, check it out, Mika!
Wow.
Bike wheel with no tire!
Yeah, look, a big circle.
Yeah!
This
Cool!
is really cool, and it's actually kind of light.
Yeah! Okay.
And the next thing we're gonna do is remove that tube, which is what created the flat tire.
Whoa! So there's a tube inside the tire? Oh, can I check it out? Whoa! So this has a hole in it, and this is what was inside the tire. That makes sense.
Whoa, ooh, it's squishy.
Yeah, it is. It's like a balloon.
Yeah, cool. Here you go.
Oh.
So as we're now done inspecting the tire to see if there's anything stuck inside of this that created the flat, we're now safe to put a new tube back inside.
Oh, okay, so it's just the tube that had the hole.
Yeah, so you're gonna get a brand new tube.
Yay! Whoa!
Yeah, it looks flat.
Yeah! So that is this, but brand new?
Exactly. So what we're gonna do is fill it up with a little bit of air to make it easier to install.
Whoa.
Cool! Look at it! It's getting blown up!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Next, we will need that there wheel back.
Oh, here you go. One wheel.
One wheel?
Thank you. And so we're gonna set just one side of this wheel inside of the rim itself.
Okay.
And this is where I like to create a dinner plate.
Dinner
Plate.
plate. I love dinner.
Me too.
Whoa! Wow. So what are you doing now?
I'm gonna insert and reinstall a new inner tube to replace the compromised one. And you can see, once you have it set up like a dinner plate, it's easy enough to just add it back inside of the tire.
Yeah, fits in nice and snug.
And now we're gonna reseat the other side, just like that. And now we have a fully reinstalled tire.
Yeah! Woo!
So last but not least, we're gonna put air pressure back into the tire. This specific tire goes up to 40 PSI, or pounds per square inch.
Can I hold the tire and wheel?
Certainly.
Go, Mika?
Okay, see if we can feel the air being pumped in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! It is feeling like a normal bike tire now.
Yeah, it's really filling up.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh.
And so when doing this, you always want to read the side of your tire first before you start to apply air pressure.
Okay.
And that way you won't overinflate the tire.
Oh, so it doesn't explode.
Makes sense.
That's right.
Wow. Now this feels like a bike wheel that you could ride on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now it is. So last but not least, we're gonna reinstall this back onto the bicycle
Oh,
so that you may continue your ride.
Yay!
Yeah.
I'm so excited to ride my bicycle again.
Oh,
Whoa.
there it goes.
Whoa.
It's new.
Yay! Whoa. You are such a good mechanic, Dane. You did that so fast.
Whoa.
And voila.
Whoa! Thank you so much! Wow! Now I can ride my bike again!
Blippi, can I ride bikes with you?
Oh, that's a great idea, but you don't have a helmet or a
I
bike.
don't have anything.
Well, the good news here at Spoke Bicycle Cafe is we both rent bicycles and helmets.
Yeah! Mika, you can come!
Oh, can I maybe use that helmet right there?
Indeed you can.
All right! Wow. Here you go, Mika.
Thank you.
All right, and we just pick out a bike out there?
Indeed.
All right.
Let's go.
Well, thank you so much, Dane.
You're welcome.
Wow. Cool. All right. See you later.
Thanks, Dane.
Enjoy your ride.
See you later.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Come on, Blippi.
All right. Yeah. So excited to see what bike you choose.
Look at all of these bikes. Whoa, that wheel's really big.
Whoa! Oh, these bikes are so colorful.
Yeah, I like these. I think I'll just take this one.
Wow, look at the colors.
Yeah, and
Green, yellow, and orange.
wow, so colorful.
Whoa. What did you find?
I found some stickers. Look,
Wow. Cool.
it says
Spoke Bicycle Cafe. That's where we're at.
Do you want one?
Sure.
Here you go.
Oh, check it out.
Hey, that gives me a great idea, Blippi. What? I have some other stickers right here in my bag. Do you want to decorate your helmet?
That's a great idea. Woo! Let's decorate my helmet before we go on our ride.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, but you also said that they have food and drinks, right?
Yep, it's also a cafe.
Whoa, we should probably get hydrated before we go on our ride.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
Hey!
Hey, hello.
We're about to go on a bike ride.
Yeah, we're looking for some refreshing drinks before we go.
Yeah, do you have any water?
Whoa! And for you.
Yum, thank you. Woohoo! Whoa!
Yeah, look at all this stuff.
Wow! Such great craft supplies.
Yeah, let's decorate your helmet.
All right.
I love decorating.
Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah,
Looks
so
like we have some stickers.
Whoa, look.
A little star.
Yeah, which one is that? Gold?
Gold.
Ooh, we have silver too.
Okay. Ooh.
Peel off your
Go.
bag.
It's a little tricky to peel it off. How about one right there?
Nice. I'm gonna put one here.
Ooh, orange tape. One of my two favorite colors.
I knew you were gonna pick the orange tape.
Yeah.
Ooh, and these are really cool stickers.
Whoa. All right. Wow.
Look, underwater sea creatures.
Whoa, cool. What animal are you gonna pick?
Ooh, what about this really fun dolphin? Can I put it right here on the orange tape?
Sure. Wow. Cool. Orange and blue together, my two favorite colors.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I really like this walrus.
Whoa. Yeah, another animal that lives in the water.
Yep.
Oh, check this out. Whoa! Do you know what I'm gonna do with this?
No.
Woo! It's a surprise.
Do you need help cutting?
Exactly. Yeah. Thank you very much. All right. And watch this.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in this hole, and then I'm gonna put it out of this,
Oh.
and then I'm going to tie a little knot, and I'm gonna make really cool ribbon tail. So then when I go super fast, it'll fly in the air.
That's such a great idea.
Woo. Maybe we should cut it just a little shorter
Yeah.
though. How about right there?
Like that?
Yeah.
There you
Perfect.
go.
All right.
That's gonna look really, really cool.
Oh, thank you.
And you might be able to maybe try to make it a little curly.
Ooh,
I
cool.
don't know if it'll work with this ribbon, but it's a trick.
All right.
This is something a grown-up can help you do to make your ribbon.
Oh,
It's not working.
that's okay. Yeah.
Use a
Oh,
different ribbon for that trick.
yeah. And here's a green marker. Woo! All right. Let's make some squigglies on that side.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, you're really good at drawing. You should try and draw.
I'm gonna do a big pink heart on the back. Whoop, this is
Oh.
pink.
Wow. Woo.
Let me try a different. Yeah, that
Blue?
would be good.
All right.
One of your favorite colors.
Yeah. Okay, and I'll work on another ribbon. Whoa. It's gonna be a surprise what she's drawing. Whoa. That is so cute of you to do that. Are you
Yeah.
excited to see what she's drawing?
A blue heart from my best friend.
Oh, Mika. Yeah. Okay, I cut another ribbon.
Ooh, look at those stars on it.
Yeah, I just think it'll look so cool when I'm riding really fast.
It will. They'll be blowing in the wind.
Yeah, all right. Check it out. All right, how does this look?
Looks very good.
Okay, do you think it looks good enough?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it on.
Okay, let's see how you look. Blippi, this helmet is fabulous.
Yeah! Well, shall we go on a ride?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay, we'll come back here later to clean up. But
got
now,
it.
let's go on a ride.
Yeah!
Woohoo! This is gonna be so much fun!
Yes, this is such a great day to ride bikes together.
Yeah, we have cool looking bikes.
Yeah.
We drank a bunch of water, so I
Woo.
think we're ready.
Oh, I need to put my helmet on so I'm nice and safe.
Oh yeah! And we decorated my helmet, so I look real cool.
You look so cool.
Yeah!
Hey, check this out. I have brakes on my bike in case I need to stop. See?
Oh, cool.
I just pull back like this.
Oh yeah, with your hands.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at my bike. Yeah, I don't have hand brakes. Yeah, I have brakes when I pedal backwards.
That's right.
Yeah, are you ready?
Oh, yeah, I can't wait.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Whoa! Yeah, that was awesome.
That was super fun.
Wow, I love riding bikes.
Me too.
Yeah.
Especially with you, Blippi.
Oh, Mika. Yeah, 2 people for 2 bikes.
Yeah, it's so fun riding bikes together.
Yeah.
What if there were a bike where 2 people could ride the same bike?
What? That would be so cool. What? Look at this. This is a tandem bike.
Yeah, look, there's 2 seats on this bike. 1, 2, and 2 sets of handlebars.
Yeah, these handlebars up front are for the person that steers.
Yep.
And these are for the person in back, so then they don't fall off.
Yeah.
Wow, shall we try it?
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right, 2 people, 1 bike. Here we go. Wow, that was so much fun riding bikes with you, Mika.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah.
We had a great day riding bikes.
Yeah, it was so much fun decorating my helmet with you.
Yeah, it looks so good. And I'm really happy that you got your tire fixed.
Oh, thanks, Mika. Yeah, and it's really cool how we learned that you need to stay hydrated before you do really active things like riding bikes.
Yeah, and riding bikes are great. It's good for the planet and good for your body.
Yeah, well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name.
Yeah.
Will you spell my name with me?
Uh-huh.
B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Hey, Mika, how do you spell your name?
Oh, I'll show you. It's M-E-E-K-A-H. Mika.
Wow, that is so cool. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Here we go.
Woo!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!